Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2015 GMC Acadia SLE, stock number Z9870XX. Only 39,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, crimson red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and a power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Again, only 39,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.